Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing video. It's going to be an unboxing of a purse. So I purchased a purse from the Rebecca Minkoff website. Unfortunately, when it arrived, it was damaged and I had to return it. So what they did is they issued me a refund, and I found the same tote on eBay. The price for the tote on her website originally is like $398, but it had been on sale for the past few weeks for, I believe, like $129. This particular tote, I haven't opened it yet. I'm hoping it's actually brand new, but I paid $90 including tax for off of eBay. So as you can see, this is actually like the box that it actually came in from Rebecca Minkoff. So I'm thinking that the person purchased it and they no longer wanted it. So that's why they sold it. So I'm just going to actually take my keys. I'll just slap myself in the face and open the box. This is called the Stella Large Tote by Rebecca Minkoff. Let me take all of the wrapping off so you can get a better view of the purse. Because what I love about Rebecca is her purses have like edgy detailing, like the hardware and things like that. They're not like basic, you know. They have like little pops of detail, and I'll show you what I mean in just a moment. This is the tote. As you can see, I love this little detail right here where it has the little hook that goes in, and then this long strap in the front, and that has this little knob that stands out. And then the back kind of is the same way, except this strap has this little piece of detail. And what I loved was it reminded me of the style of the Neverfull, because it has a detachable wristlet, or kind of like pouch, like the Neverfull by Louis Vuitton. Sorry, I'm trying to hurry up. So it has, which I'm probably just gonna keep this in my purse, but it does come with this little pouch that can be detached or detached to the purse. And it looks like, you know, I maybe can fit like my phone in it and some money. If I don't want to like take my whole purse into the store, I can just grab this and go. I was looking on YouTube and I didn't really see any reviews or anyone that really had this particular purse. Apparently Rebecca Minkoff has released different variations of the Stella tote. They're different colors. She has one that's black and the straps are actually like a brown or a cream color. Also, I just noticed it has Rebecca Minkoff written on the thing right there as well. But yeah, I love the tote. What I'm currently toting is this Michael Kors tote. If you can, do you see the difference in the size? So I wanted a bigger tote because I'm a girl that likes to carry her whole entire life with her. I did try to downsize, but this just isn't working for me. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this Michael Kors purse, which I just purchased it. It's practically brand new, or if I'm going to resell it. There's no wear. I love this because it's very sturdy and there's no wear and tear to the handles. It doesn't even look like this purse has been used. I will link my Poshmark down below, because whenever like I get tired of something, I do sell it on my Poshmark. So I've sold like some of my old clothes, purses, things like that there. So if you're interested in this purse, go ahead and follow my closet on Poshmark. And that way, if I do decide to sell it, you'll be notified. What I'm going to do now is aside from what I want to take out of the Michael Kors and put in my new tote, there's a few things, like I said, that just wouldn't fit in here that I want to carry. One of the things was this Erin Condren Life Planner that I actually just purchased, that I mentioned it in what I got for my birthday haul. But I got this from Staples. It was in the clearance section. Like, my Staples doesn't carry Erin Condren in store. I didn't know Staples carried her because I had been looking online for a while because I wanted to buy one of her planners. And when I went there, this was 60% off, so it was $16. I think originally it was like $50 or something that they had it marked down, or originally it was like $50 or $60 in Staples, but it was 60% off. It was the only one there. The lady, because I wanted to see if they had other styles, but the lady said either it was in the back for a very long time or somebody purchased it online and returned it to that Staples. But yeah, so I got that, which that's something that I'm going to put in my purse because I plan on being more organized, and that's something that I want to keep on me. I have my own makeup crew. So another thing I'm going to carry in my purse is the iPad, which I'm going to show you for the most part everything I plan on carrying in my purse, and then show you like what it fits or what it looks like, and how much more room I have, things like that. At some point of this video I might like speed it up just because my purse is a mess. I have like a lot of loose things and money just floating around. So what I'm doing now is just getting the change from the side part of this purse and putting it in my wallet. I love this wallet. I get so many compliments. It's 9 West. I actually got it from Ross. It was on sale for like, I don't know, maybe $10. I had this little Victoria's Secret set. It's the perfume and the spray. It's the Bombshell. I got this around Christmas time when the sets, I believe they were $8. I remember I had picked up a few of those for Christmas presents. I have a iHome portable charger. I do normally keep my Beats and my AirPods in there, just because my Beats I more so wear at all times. So like if I'm going to the grocery store, going like running errands, because I feel like I'm always like, whenever I'm like rushing and like I don't have time to, like, if I drop something, it's like, oh God, where did I drop it, because I went so many places. My AirPods are more so like if I'm in one place, like I'm getting my nails done or getting my hair done, that's when I wear my AirPods. But I actually only have one because I lost the other side. I have one scratch off in here. I won $1. Cute little, I have another mirror. It's by like Vanity Impressions, and it lights up, that I normally use. But I also keep this one in my purse because it has my initial K. My name is Shakira, but I go by Kira, and I also have a nickname, K Stacks. So, and I actually have it like tattooed on my wrist. But that is another thing. This is a stylus that I use for my iPad because I make like graphics and stuff, so I normally keep that on me. I normally keep, that's not something I always keep. I have a lot of change in the bottom of this purse. Is it me just being a fatty that I normally keep one of these in my purse? Because I never know when I'm going to eat something or go to someone's house. Like, just, I don't never know when I'm going to need a fork. So I always keep one of those, or I try to. I keep personals. These are Listerine tabs. They're basically just like mints or whatever. This is a what do you call it, a stainless steel straw. So it's just, it collapses, that if I ever need a straw, which I try to use this versus the plastic straws. But I have a bad habit where I'll still get a plastic straw. These are two Victoria's Secret lip glosses. Like right now, I think I'm going to put on Peekaboo. All right. The rest is like mail and then some private things as far as like notes for work. This is the case for my phone that I'm filming on, but of course my phone would normally be in my purse. My keys would also be in my purse. So, ooh, it's heavy. Oh, but I like it too that it's somewhat structured. It's not drooping really to the bottom. If you look inside, there is still so much room like in this purse. So I'm so excited. The only thing is I didn't realize how heavy it was going to be. I may need to go back and like try to see if some things that weigh a lot, if I can take those out, because just like I said, when I received the original purse that I brought, the strap was broke, and I don't want this to like tear up eventually because I'm carrying things that are too heavy. So I want to go in and see if I can you know, make it a little bit lighter. But yeah, I can kind of, let me see something. Still got more change. You know what used to be funny is like when I was young or in school, I used to always have dollars on me and people swore I was a stripper. But now it seems like I always have change. But yeah, so this is a pretty nice purse. Like I said, I'm probably going to list it on my Poshmark. It's pretty spacious. It has a zip over here. It has like two pockets on this side right here and right there, and then this part zips up, but there's also a little clasp part right there where you can easy access like your keys and your phone, but your main part can still be zipped. I haven't fully decided if I want to keep it or if I'm going to sell it, but yeah. So that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it was pretty much an unboxing of the Rebecca Minkoff Stella large tote. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.